Okay, this is the Melnor 2-zone digital hose timer. It was sent just like this. It says a description on the back, made in Taiwan. Okay, you got your 3 stainless steel filters, instructions, and here's the unit. It's about 11 ounces. Okay, looks like plastic parts. It's got metal threads, which is good. Okay, here's the batteries. Batteries go in here. It's AA. You don't want to get water in there. It's got a little rubber seal. Okay, this peels off. Okay, might need to read the manual. How to set this up. Okay. That's start time, start duration, intervals, time, off, time. Okay, so I can set the time. Let's say it's 7:05. I want to start at 7. Ooh, fast. 7:06 for 1 minute every 12 hours. Oh, okay. It sounded like this one. Okay, so start time. Okay, what if I wanted it for 0 minutes? Okay, so 6 hours is the longest time. And, oh, that sucks. I got this so that I could water all day and not at night. This isn't going to do that. I can only do 6 hours every day. I suppose I can put a Y on here and attach both of them and have it run for 6 hours on this one and then 6 hours on that one. I guess. That sucks. So this is the same as what my other ones do. I got this because I thought it would be more, I'd have more options. Oh well, it's fine.